Good morning, students. We have already done invitations. So today we will do responding to invitations, means reply. When we got any invitation, how to reply or how to answer that invitation. So replies are of two types, as invitations are of two types, formal and informal. In the same way, replies are also of two types. Formal, if we got formal invitation, we will reply in the formal form. If we got informal invitation, then we reply in informal way. Replies are usually two types, whether we will accept or refuse, whether we are able to attend the function or we are not able to attend the function. So first we will do the formal replies, acceptance and refusal. Refusal, deny, मना कर देना. Formal replies or responding. How to respond? Main points. What examiner will check in your CBSE sheet? Acknowledge the invitation. First, accept the invitation. Acknowledge means not accept, always accept. You mention that for which invitation you are replying, whether it is marriage, birthday, wedding anniversary or seminar. First mention that. Express your thanks in the third person. As it is formal invitation, we are always in formal invitation using third person. He, she, or we have used even our name. Mention acceptance or refusal, whether you are coming or not, on the report specifying the valid reason. You can give the reason. Be brief and specific. Word limit is always there. You can, especially in the formal replies, you cannot explain the reason. Very specifically you have to answer. Be formal in tone and treatment. You cannot express your reasons or feelings here. Do not exceed word limit 50. Usually it is given in the statement. Always when you draft an invitation or reply, always put in the box. Draw a box around it. So here is the example of formal reply of family functions, as we have done in the formal reply, family functions and officials. So in family function, how you will reply? First, sender's address. You will write your own address. The person who is answering the reply will write his or her own address. 167-21 Mukherjee Nagar, Sonipat. Usually the address is not given in the statement, but you have to write the date on which you are writing. It's 28 July 2020. As it is formal reply, so no need to use salutation. You cannot use here dear, respected, etc. Direct from the name. Start. Mrs. and Mr. S.K. Goel, thank. First we said that there must be thank for the invitation and joining with the acknowledgement. Mrs. and Mr. L.K. Sharma, for inviting on the occasion of the auspicious marriage ceremony of their daughter to be solemnized, fixed on the 5th August 2020. So you have acknowledged the function and date. This is same in the invitation as we are giving the answer what, where and when. You have to mention here also that you are invited on this function, on this date and this timing. So you must acknowledge these things. We are happy to accept the invitation. You have accepted the invitation and will be present there to enjoy the fine time. Clear? Very formal. You have not expressed the feelings. You will bless the couple there. Then no need to write the proper closing as yours sincerely, yours obediently, or yours truly. Only write down your name, S.K. Goyal. Who is writing here? S.K. Goyal. Because S.K. Goyal thank. Here in the beginning, see, if one person is answering the or replying, so you will write Mr. S.K. Goyal thanks. Okay, third person singular, always put S with the verb, but here it is plural, Mrs. and Mr. Two persons are there, then it is thank. Then put in the box. Clear? So we have accepted the invitation. Now take the example of refusal. Formal reply, refusal. Same family function. 2017 Sector 21 Rohini, New Delhi. Address you have to mention. Then date on which you are writing, 29 July 2020. Mrs. and Mr. Rohit Puri wish to thank Mrs. and Mr. Mohit Arora for extending an invitation to the birthday celebration of their son Puru. Name of the son is Puru, at their residence on 14th August 2020, and wish the young boy many happy returns of the day, but regret their inability to be present personally and on account of some previous engagements. Rohit Puri, you are feeling sorry for not attending the function, but you are not here to explain the reason. You just mention you are busy or you are previous engaged in some work. Engagement means busy. You cannot explain the reason here. If you will explain the reason here, it will become informal reply. Just be brief. Just write down your name. So we have covered the replies, formal, family function. Next, take the example of formal reply, official. If you are invited as a judge to attend the function and you are sending your reply as we have written, send your consent before 28 September. So here you will reply 227 Rani Bagh, New Delhi. Your self-address, the person who is writing, then date 29th July 2020. The principal, Sunwood School, Jaipur. We have already done in the previous lecture that Mr. J.P. Modi is invited as a judge on the poetic recitation competition. So we are writing here reply on behalf of J.P. Modi. Sir, subject, acceptance of invitation. If you are not coming, then refusal of invitation. First, 3 lines are must. First, acknowledge the function or thanks. These can be replaced. Then, whether you are coming or not. If you are not coming, then send your wishes also. Thanks for the invitation for the poetic recitation competition on 2nd October 2020 at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. I would like to utilize this opportunity to share my experience with other like-minded enthusiasts and experts. I hereby confirm my participation in the competition. Yours sincerely, JP Modi. As it is formal official reply, so we have properly written the address and salutation and proper closing, and then put the reply at the box. Then if the person is not ready to attend the function, then how you will reply? The same here is refusal. 227 Rani Bagh, New Delhi, 29 July 2020. The principal, Sunwood School, Jaipur, sir. Subject, inability to accept the invitation. Again, first thanks. Thank you very much for inviting me to judge the poetic recitation competition on 2nd October 2020 at 10 a.m. at school auditorium. Here you can highlight date, time and place. I feel honored and obliged. However, I shall not be able to accept your invitation due to some previous engagement. Already I have told you, if you are not going to attend the function, you cannot explain here reason. You just mention that you are previous engaged or you are busy, which keep me confined to my place on that day. So I cannot leave my place due to previous engagement. My appointment is already fixed. Thanking you once again for your kind invitation. Yours sincerely, JP Modi. Then put the reply in the box. Clear? So we have covered formal replies, both family functions and official functions. And in the both common point is self-address and occasion and formal use of third person. But the difference is, in family function you are not addressing the person with salutation, but in the official function you are writing proper subject, official. It is like official letter style. Okay, so we have covered formal replies. Now we will do informal replies. In the same way, it has also two types, whether we will accept the invitation or we will refuse the invitation. So first we will take the acceptance. So here you are free to use the your expressions, tone. You can write here I, my, me. In first person or second person you are allowed to write. Simple informal letter style. Always remember, dear student, replies are always handwritten because individual person can reply. So you will not print the replies. It is not common. It differs person to person. So informal reply, informal reply, you will first write down your on address 175 Ekta Colony, Ambala. Then date on which you are writing 29 July 2020. Dear Ritika, proper salutation. It gives me great pleasure to learn that you are holding your birthday party on 10th August 2020 at Hotel Noor Mahal at 7 p.m. I thank you for your invitation and I shall certainly make it a point to attend. It will such a nice occasion to meet all of you. Thanking you once again, yours sincerely, Mohan. So you have make sure here that you will definitely attend the function. Then put the whole invitation in the box. Then if the person is not coming to the function, then reply the refusal. Same invitation we have taken in the refusal, or we are denying the invitation. 175 Ekta Colony, Ambala, 29 July 2020. Dear Ritika, I thank you for your invitation to attend your birthday party on 10th August 2020 at 7 p.m. at Hotel Noor Mahal. I regret to inform you, I'm feeling sorry to inform you that I would not be able to come since I have an important paper of half-yearly examination on the day of the birthday. However, my heart and good wishes will be with all of you on that day. Yours sincerely, Mohan. Then put the whole invitation, whole reply in the box. Dear students, practice these invitations and replies properly, otherwise you will do mistake, and send me the practice exercise back. Okay, thank you.